Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the Omniverse channel. Today, we're diving deep into the mystical realm of the mind. I'm about to drop some serious knowledge bombs specifically designed to supercharge your memory and focus. This information is like pure gold, especially for students, straight from the vaults of psychology. Get ready to unlock the secrets of the human brain and take your learning game to another dimension. Alright, check this out. Your brain is a wild, mind-boggling universe of billions of neurons firing off like cosmic explosions. When you learn something new, these neurons form connections called synapses, storing that information as memories. It's like little electrical circuits in your brain. And here's the crazy part, memories can be strengthened or weakened depending on how much you pay attention, how often you repeat things, and how much emotional weight you attach to them. Now, let's jump into the good stuff. We're talking about the ultimate psychological hacks that'll level up your study game like nothing else. First up, we've got the ancient method of Loki. This technique taps into the power of your imagination, combining it with your spatial memory. Picture this, you're cruising through a familiar place, like your crib, and you start associating specific info with different rooms or objects. Let's say you're memorizing a list of historical dates. You can visualize each date placed on objects scattered around your pad. As you mentally stroll through your spot, boom! The info comes flowing effortlessly. Next, we're hitting you with the dual coding technique. This one's all about bringing together visuals and words to create an unbeatable learning combo. Think about it, your brain digests visuals and words differently. So, why not blend them together for maximum impact? When you're tackling a subject, draw diagrams, make sketches, or find images that represent the info. For example, if you're learning about the solar system, draw that bad boy out and label each planet. When it's review time, your brain effortlessly recalls both the visual image and the facts attached to it. It's like having a mental movie playing in your head. The Feynman technique. Alright, strap in for the Feynman technique. This one's named after the legendary physicist Richard Feynman, a total genius. Here's the deal, to truly grasp a concept, pretend you're teaching it to someone else. Break it down, use simple language, and find analogies to make it crystal clear. When you play the role of the teacher, you deepen your understanding and reveal any gaps in your knowledge. It's like your brain is on a whole other level of mastery. Pomodoro technique. Now, let's crush distractions and skyrocket productivity with the Pomodoro technique. This one's a game changer, my friends. Set a timer for 25 minutes, aka Pomodoro, and dive into your work with laser focus. No distractions allowed, just pure grind. When that timer goes off, take a short break to recharge. Rinse and repeat, baby. After a few Pomodoros, reward yourself with a longer break. This technique slices tasks into manageable chunks, keeping you in the zone and banishing burnout. It's like a productivity power-up. Last but not least, we're throwing the power of interleaving into the mix. Brace yourselves for some next-level learning, folks. Interleaving is all about switching between different topics or skills during your study sessions. Instead of drilling one thing until you're blue in the face, mix it up. Jump from math to history, from science to language. It might feel a bit chaotic, but trust me, it's a game changer. Your brain has to work harder to make connections and retrieve information. It's like a mental workout, sculpting your brain into a lean, mean, knowledge-absorbing machine. Remember, my friends, it's the butterfly effect in action. Those small changes you make today, those little steps towards implementing these techniques, they'll ripple through your life and career. Start practicing, even if it's just a little bit each day. Eventually, the butterfly effect kicks in, transforming these techniques into habits, making you a smarter, sharper, unstoppable force. Now, if you found this mind-expanding information valuable, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the Omniverse channel. Until next time, stay curious, stay hungry for knowledge, and keep exploring the Omniverse. Until then, peace out.